Deeplanders of the world, welcome to the Explorer headquarters and the Deepland Explorer YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do the Prusik knot, a knot that is peculiar in the way that it can slide easily on a line as long as there is no load. The second there is load on it, in any direction, it won't go anywhere. Let's learn how to do it. The Prusik knot is a knot used to secure a loop of cord to a tight line. A loop can be done from a single string using a double fisherman knot that I will teach you in a different video. The Prusik knot is very simple, but it is important to note that for it to work properly, it's better if the cord used for the loop is of a smaller diameter than the line that it's going to be attached to. The way of doing it is just placing the loop over the line and then running the loop through itself 3 times, making 3 distinct loops. This is the first one. We're going to bring it over, making a second loop. Now I have 4, as you can see, and again through itself a second time. Oops. There we go. And one last time through itself. Let me separate this a little bit. Through itself. There we go. As you can see, now I have 6. 1, 2, and 3 on one side, 1, 2, and 3 on the other side, and through itself to finish the knot. All you have to do now is that very same piece that you pull forward, you pull from it to reduce the slack on the rest of the knot. You make sure that all of your loops are properly dressed and nothing have moved, and you're ready. As I said before, it moves with ease on the line, but the second that some load is put onto it, it won't go anywhere. It's omnidirectional, it doesn't matter in which direction, down, left, or right, it won't go anywhere. There you have it, it's very simple. And the way of doing it is just doing the reverse movement that you did first. As long as it doesn't have load, it can come undone easily. Thank you for joining me today and watching all the way to the end. Please look for more knot videos on this series.